we have a surprise for you. Alex and Squints is back, and he's going to help us with the B-pillar and the white whale.
So earlier, we kind of got a game plan on how we want to do the cage, but along with doing that, in order to keep the style and the looks of this thing, we had to try to come up with some different ideas how to keep that style going with the shape of the bed. And you guys, if you follow along, you'll be able to see kind of how we add that style into a normal rollbar.
Got to lube the tube.
Whoa. Kill it. Pushing it in too fast. Raw dogging it.
Welcome back, Frosty Four-Wheeler Off-Road Recovery fans. Depending on how long you've followed along, you may or may not have seen the White Whale 2.0 build. Well, we went down to Julian and we added a new frame, we did some motor mounts, Wheel Every Weekend designed a rear bed for this, but we never really got the B-pillar on. We never really finished the way we wanted to tie in the whole bed to the cab. Well, time flies, and that was about 2 years ago. And so now Nick and his family came up to Bishop, where we moved, in our new shop, and he's gonna help us finish the dream.
Took a break from the fab, came out here with the tape still on the truck. We're gonna do recovery. Oh, nice.
A little background on this job. So the night we were working on the truck, we received a call from this gentleman who drove off the road just north of Bridgeport on Buckeye. And he was on his way to the hot springs, you know, taking a nice vacation from Reno or Nevada somewhere, and slid off the road here. So we decided first thing in the morning to come out and, with the blue tape and everything, pull him back on the road. Something notable about this recovery is that Alex didn't really need my help at all. He didn't even need the driver in the car. He was able to do it all in part and with all of his winches. He's anchored to the tree behind him. You may not be able to see that. All right, a little bit of a cut two. We were able to get the truck back on the road, but I actually needed to put down the camera and listen to Alex pay attention, you know?
All right, the recovery went well, so now let's check out what the guys are doing.
Looks like they shortened the tube.
That's why we're...
Nerd. Oh, this looks good. I like it. You guys added a little bend too. That's pretty.
So the night before, Nick stayed up thinking of different ways to put this all together and tie it all in. He was working really hard. And so right when we got back from the recovery, he started taking away.
Lube it or lose it, sister. It's really hard on a radius because this is meant for a straight round tube to go through as a notch. This is a radius, so basically I'm just spinning it to make the radius work.
Oh wow, yeah.
I once had a hairstylist when I was a kid. She would ask me, "You want me to cut it? How short do you want me to cut it?" And I'd say, "Oh, cut it short." And she's like, "Well, how about I cut it a little less short? Because I can always cut it more, but you can't grow it." Same thing with this shit. You can't grow it. You can't grow that. Every time I put safety glasses on, I swear, it must be because I'm closer, I'm not being subconscious about the stuff coming off. So it like hits my forehead and it falls down in my eye.
And
Every single time I've had something in my eye is because I had safety glasses.
she's just so cute. It's cool to see it out and stuff. It's all done.
How did you design this truck? They say I like turtles.
Do a quick little show off, walk around. Nick with Ewing Motorsports was on vacation and he decided to help us finish the White Whale 2.0. He helped us with that B pillar with we're gonna mount some lights up there, some support pillars that go across. It's 3-dimensional there. Yeah, they can see. She came out real nice. Thanks, Nick. Or as we call him, Squints.
And as always, thank you for watching. We hope to see you out there. Until next time, stay frosty.